Lots of teenagers are about to get rich. The world is changing fast. Traditional jobs are fading, replaced by online opportunities. While this might sound like it's creating too much competition in the online space, there's one thing setting teenagers apart: their natural understanding of the digital world. This is their playground, and they know the rules better than anyone else. But here's the challenge: many teens don't know where to start. That's exactly what this guide is for. I'm breaking down the 7.5 best-paid online jobs for teenagers, with real-life success stories to show you exactly what's possible. Stick around, because by the end, you might just have your next big idea. 1. Advertising deal broker. Picture this: you're 16 years old, and you're earning between $100,000 and $120,000 a year, just by connecting brands with influencers. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let me tell you about Christian. Back in 2021, I wanted to wrap my Tesla Model 3 in paid advertisements. Out of nowhere, Christian, just a teenager at the time, emailed me with an offer. He'd find a sponsor willing to pay $30,000. In return, he'd take a 30% commission. That's $9,000 for sending a few emails and acting as a middleman. Although I ended up going with a different sponsor, Christian's story didn't stop there. He's closed similar deals time and time again. His strategy? Build relationships and network like crazy. He compares it to navigating a jungle. Each connection leads to another opportunity. Once you land one big client, others start lining up because you now have credibility. His biggest tip? Always over-deliver. People remember quality, and a great reference can open doors you never knew existed. If you're gonna try being an advertising deal broker, comment below. I pledge to build connections and always over-deliver. 2. Discord community manager, Web3 focus. If you've ever been on Discord, you've probably seen community managers in action. What you might not realize is that these teens are earning $70,000 or more every year. And that's just the beginning. Community is everything when it comes to marketing for Gen Z. Brands aren't just selling products anymore. They're building cult followings, and Discord is where it happens. A friend of mine, Harry, hires Discord managers for his Web3 projects. He told me he's willing to pay top talent $2,000 a week. And here's the kicker: many of these managers work on multiple projects at once. That means big money for those who can juggle responsibilities. The job isn't easy, though. You're the glue holding the community together. You're part customer service, part storyteller, and sometimes even a therapist. It's about keeping people engaged, solving problems, and staying active when the community needs you most. If you're going to try being a Discord community manager, comment below. I pledge to engage, support, and connect communities. 3. Content scriptwriter. Have you ever thought about the power of words? They can inspire, persuade, or even make you rich. That's why content scriptwriters are in such high demand, earning $100,000 or more a year. Take Adam, for example. He started small, writing blog posts about his travels to earn passive income, but soon he found himself working as a scriptwriter for influencers. His secret? Don't compete on price. Compete on value. Adam focused on offering a service that no one else could. He says, there's always someone cheaper, but there's not always someone better. He found high-pay clients who valued his work and made sure to deliver beyond their expectations. This job is perfect for teens who love writing and want to turn their skills into serious cash. Whether it's TikTok scripts, YouTube videos, or Twitter threads, content creators are constantly looking for fresh ideas, and they're willing to pay top dollar for them. If you're going to try being a content scriptwriter, comment below. I pledge to master storytelling and deliver unmatched value. 4. SaaS software developer. If you've ever used apps like Notion, MailChimp, or Canva, then you've interacted with SaaS, software as a service. Building these tools is one of the most profitable online jobs out there, with developers earning $60,000 to $80,000 a year. Sam King, a young entrepreneur, built a multi-million-dollar SaaS business without ever having a traditional job. His strategy? He identified common problems businesses face and created software to solve them. Sam's advice: don't reinvent the wheel. Look for gaps in the market, tools people need but aren't getting, and fill them. Once the software is built, the profits are almost entirely passive. If you're going to try being a SaaS software developer, comment below. I pledge to solve real-world problems through innovation. Buy Content Redistribution Editor. Ever seen short, punchy clips from podcasts or YouTube videos on TikTok? That's the work of content redistribution editors. These teens earn $120,000 to $150,000 a year by repackaging existing content into viral formats. Josh, a redistribution editor I know, got his start at VidSummit. He realized influencers were sitting on piles of long-form content that could be transformed into something new. He offered to do the work for them, and it paid off. Big time. Josh's tip: think of content like leftovers. Just because it's been served once doesn't mean it's done. There's always a way to remix it into something fresh and valuable. If you're going to try being a content redistribution editor, comment below. I pledge to turn existing content into fresh, valuable creations. 6. Website developer. A good website is a business's front door, and skilled developers know how to make that door inviting. Teens in this field earn $80,000 to $150,000 a year. Chris, a friend of mine, specializes in building marketing funnels for e-learning companies. His secret? Recurring revenue. He keeps clients on monthly retainers, earning passive income by making small tweaks to their websites. Chris's advice: don't just build websites, build relationships. The more value you provide, the more likely clients are to stick with you long-term. If you're going to try being a website developer, comment below. I pledge to create meaningful websites and lasting client relationships. 7. Twitter manager. Believe it or not, managing Twitter accounts can earn you $60,000 to $80,000 a year. Sean, a college dropout, turned his Twitter obsession into a lucrative career. His strategy? Study what works. He analyzes viral posts and threads, then replicates their success for his clients. He also hosts Twitter Spaces, which have become a powerful tool for audience engagement. Sean's tip: learn to hook people with as few words as possible. Mastering this skill will set you apart in a crowded market. If you're going to try being a Twitter manager, comment below. I pledge to master Twitter and create engaging content. 7.5. Executive Assistant bonus. This job might involve more than just online work, but it's one of the most rewarding. Executive assistants earn $90,000 to $110,000 a year, often with perks like travel and exclusive events. Take Gabe from Nelk, for example. He's not just an assistant, he's indispensable. His secret? Make yourself so valuable that no one can imagine working without you. If you're going to try being an executive assistant, comment below. I pledge to be indispensable by solving problems and adding value. Ready to take action? Teenagers like Christian, Adam, and Josh aren't just dreaming about success, they're living it. All it takes is finding your niche, building relationships, and delivering value. Artificial intelligence is the next big thing, and if you want to learn how teens are leveraging AI to build wealth, check out the video linked above. Don't forget to subscribe. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.